So, on God, welcome back, broskies and sisters, to another reaction video. And if you're just joining us for the first time, why do I keep saying joining us for the first time like it is a church? Anyways, if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, I'm your guy, the Mask Creator, aka Niger Gangster. And on this side of YouTube, we do not partake in violence, neither do we love violence, but we definitely enjoy seeing violence. If you're not Nigerian, you will not understand that, but with time, you understand what that is. And today, we are reacting to our brother Shallipopi. He just dropped a music video for Convict. Convict is one of his songs in his EP. He just dropped an EP and it's bangers. I've been listening to the EP the whole time. I really enjoyed the EP, the songs. They're all nice, all bangers. And he just dropped a music video for Convict. And I think the video I saw a snippet. I think the video is directed by Boy Wonder, arguably the best videographer, the best video guy in Nigeria, arguably in Africa even. Arguably, because the guy is that dope. I always compare the guy with this guy, Cole Bennett. Yeah, I think they are in that like same frame. But yeah, without further ado, without wasting any much of our time, I hope that was correct. Let's go straight into the video, man. Mr. Shally.
They call me Shallipopi.
Beat. Même mat. That's if y'all don't cast.
Okay. First of all, I'm seeing the whole concept and idea. It's kind of similar to Naira Marley's Soapy. Yeah, Soapy. Like the whole prison settings and everything. So it's definitely directed by Boy Wonder. I think so. But it's very similar to Naira Marley's video.
The only way men fit lose God, now block don't go and the phone no last. Everybody must chop breakfast, to collect money, must chop pay back, and that go money, Also many red, I got paid them back. Come on body for Shallipopi, Clear road, may they live out for me. When you talking money, then you talking voltage. My body electric, they shock me. Jab to bitches in the nightclub. Give 21, make it like one, cause Pluto is active. So I took her to my room and I started to depend on la Benz. Depend on la Benz. Depend on the go, depend on la Benz. So I start to depend on the engine, then I start to the air. I'm never too stay when I start to the get time. Got all this paper. I got all this. So I start to depend on la Benz. Depend on la Benz. Depend on the go, depend on la Benz. Then I start to depend on the engine, then I start to the air. I'm never too stay when I start to the get time. Got all this paper. Got all this. I got all this. Inside say, don't say you match your charcoal.
But it's crazy because I know for Boy Wonder, why I said Boy Wonder, Boy Director, I'm sorry, Boy Director, TG Omori, let me just say TG Omori. I know it's very, very expensive for him to direct your video. So I don't know how Shallipopi got him to do the video, but I mean, he does videos for like new cats in the industry. So I just went, yeah. But so far the video is matching the energy with the song. So yeah, let's see.
Told you inside there. How you take the Shally, you the confirm BTC. So you the confirm BTC, and your broker is active.
Clear road, so you say you the confirm BTC.
Men mat. That's if you don't want cast, the only way men fit lose God. Now block don't go and the phone no last. Everybody must chop breakfast, to collect money, must chop pay back, and that go money, Also many red, I got pay them back. Come on, body for Shallipopi, yeah. Clear road, may they live out for me. When you talking money, then you talking voltage. My body electric, they shock me. Got two bitches to the nightclub. Give 21, make it like one. Cause Pluto is active. So I took out in a room and I started to depend on like best. Depend on like best. Depend on the go. Depend on like best, yeah. And I start to depend now. Jeans, then I start to the year. I'm never too tight when I start to the get time. Got all this paper, see. Got all this. Then I start to depend on like best. Depend on like best. Depend on the go. Depend on like best. And I start to depend now. Dear jeans, then I start to the year. I'm never too tight when I start to the get time. Got all this paper, yeah. Got all this, yeah. Got all this. Pluto boy, in a S-convict 21 Bada in a S-convict Pablo Pilano in a S-convict Alex Show in a S-convict Savage Wire in a S-convict Jama My Blood in a S-convict Abdulaziz in a S-convict Charlie Bingo in a S-convict Busy Pluto in a S-convict Asukun One Name in a S-convict Q Extra in a S-convict Dapa Dam in a S-convict GNF Collins in a S-convict I go there.
I knew it. TG Omori, I knew it. Boy director. Damn. Yeah, that's that was a signature video from TG Omori. Yeah, I mean, this is not his best video he's ever directed, but it's still a quality video though. Yeah, you cannot take quality away from him. Like anywhere you see TG Omori, just know it's quality. So yeah, that's yeah. Quite enjoyed the video. I'll be watching that again. Definitely. I've been listening to the song, like the EP back to back on several occasions. I don't know, man. Yeah, it's a new vibe. So yeah, we rock with the new vibes, innit? So thank you guys for checking out this video, bro. This is the first music video we reacted to on this channel. So we might do more music reaction. But the thing about reacting to music is though, like you get strike, like with copyright and everything, you get strike. So that's why I don't really want to react to music on this channel. But every now and then we might just be doing like some few music video reactions, some video reactions. But the main videos we reacted to are violence video, yeah, type stuff. All right, man. Thank you guys for checking out this video. I hope you all like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the other video or the next video. Peace out.